That was the back gauge moving. That's a 130-degree bend there. You can go as far as 180 degrees. Plus you can do a hem with it too. You hear the back gauge go all the way out to 24 inches. That's a 90 degree there. You can program it at any increments you want. It has calibration on it. If your bend's off a degree, just go in and say calibrate. That's a 90 degree bend. Goes up, back gauge goes back. This back gauge will go out to 120 inches. It's got the extended back gauge on it. That right there is 130 degrees. And like I said, it goes out to 180. It's a quiet machine.